सर्वेभ्यो नमस्काराः। अद्य डिसेम्बर् मासस्य 17 दिनाङ्के सिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः अजन्तपुल्लिङ्गप्रकरणे षष्ठः भागः। रामशब्दस्य प्रक्रिया समाप्ता. So we just covered how to derive the 21 or plus 1, 22 forms of Rama Shabda starting from the Pratipadika Rama. So yeah. So the ideal thing for any prakriya is, there are two ways of looking at any prakriya from the point of view of grammar. One thing is, if we know the sutras, we can just predict what sutra will apply in this particular condition and go on and derive some final form. And there is the other way, is looking at the final form and seeing how it started and how it goes on. So that is actually two categories of people which the Bhashyakara defines in the Mahabhashya. There's Lakshanaika Chakshushkaha and Lakshaika Chakshushkaha. Lakshaika Chakshushkaha, those who do not bother about the sutras much. They know this is the sadhu prayoga and they use it. So how to derive it? Yeah, it comes, but what matters is the lakshya. This is the prayogas. Whereas Lakshanaika Chakshushkas are those who look at the sutras and say, what is the form? What should be the form? Actually, the emphasis there is on the Lakshaika Chakshushkas who are able to know the forms correctly, whether they know the reasoning behind it, derivation behind it or not. The prayoga is pradhana, but he says jnana sahite prayoge dharmaha. So how does dharmotpatti happen is where we use the sadhu shabda. Sadhu shabdanam prayogaha kriyate kintu jnana purvakam. Katham tasya nishpattihi iti jnana purvakam prayoge dharmotpattihi iti asmakam. So basically, when we have, what we need is both. We need to know a final form. Say Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha is very, very important. But also we should know how to derive it from, where does it start and how. For example, this Rama, if we are starting from Rama and Supratyaya, how does it get converted to Ramaha? The first thing which would be expected for somebody who is studying the grammar is this prakriya. Because whenever somebody says we are studying Vyakarana, the questions which people put is always about the prayoga. Is this form correct? Is this form wrong? Or how? Nobody asks you why you did not use Sanipata Paribhasha in Ramaya. I don't think that's a question which anybody is going to encounter. But there could be questions on prayogas. So first thing, we should know the prayoga, prakriya. By prayoga I mean the simple prakriya, and even if the Shastrartha comes later, the initial thing when studying the Kaumudi is to be strong with the prakriya. So, for example, if we start a quick recap of Rama Shabdasya prakriya, if anybody could volunteer, it will be great for each form. Say Rama ityasmat supratyayah kriyate. Kim bhavati katham Ramaha iti rupam nishpadyate. Anybody? I'll start the first one. It's very easy. Rama su iti sthite ukarasya upadeshaya janunasika ityanena itsamyaya Rama su ससजुषोरुः इत्यनेन रुत्वं राम ऋ खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः इत्यनेन विसर्गे रामः. Okay, Rama au. Quickly, please. These are very easy. So, especially this particular thing has nothing. You don't even need to come to Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana for this. Rama au. Kim bhavati? Hello. Rama au. Kim bhavati? Katham Ramo iti rupa nishpattihi?
Can I try this, Samir?
Yes.
So first, Prathamayoh Purva Savarna applies. Then Nadichi we get the Nishedha for Purva Savarna Dirgha. And finally Vruddhirechi.
Right. So basically it's Vruddhirechi ityanena vidhau Ramo. Prathamayoh Purva Savarnaha ityasya praptihi asti. Akah prathama dvitiyayoh achi pare Purva Savarna Dirghaha. किन्तु नादिचि अवर्णादिचि परे पूर्वसवर्णदीर्घः न भवति इति निषेधस्य सत्वात् न भवति. So even if you do not know that, you should know that Rama au is vriddhi to give Ramau. Okay. Rama Jas. Suji?
Yeah. Rama plus Jas. Bahuvachana. So Rama plus us, and they come by Supicha.
No, not Supicha.
Rama
us.
Rama house, then
no, how did we get Dirgha? Rama as ityasti. Chutu ityanena jakarasya samyaya. We have Rama plus as. What happens next?
Supicha.
Supicha says yayadav supipare. When a supratyaya, it starts with yai letter. So there is no supicha here.
Akasavarne is
no. Akasavarne dirgha does not apply. Hema?
Purva Savarnaha.
Ha, right. Pratamayoh Purva Savarnaha. Ityanena Purva Savarna dirghe. Ramas. Next. What happens next? We have Ramas.
Sashajushoruhu and Karavasanayo Visarjaniya.
Correct. So Rama as Pratamayoh Purva Savarna dirgha. Purva Savarnaha ityanena Purva Savarna dirghe. Ramas. Sasajushoruhu ityanena Rutve. Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha ityanena Visarge. Ramaha. Okay. He Rama Su. Anybody? Looks like people aren't prepared, but well, I'll make it clear. If the Rama Shabda Prakriya is not clear, then there is absolutely no point in going further, because everywhere we keep, as far as the Ajanta Pullingas are concerned, we keep referring back to the Rama Shabda. So maybe we should do one thing. Go through the Prakriya of Rama Shabda over the weekend. Anyway, we have the weekend. So we'll do this exercise in the next class. But next class, I'd want everybody to volunteer for at least one Prakriya. I mean, there are a few people who know, but even those who are doing Prakriya for the first time, please try to go through it a couple of times so that you remember at least the main sutras and what applies for each form. So that we can take up this exercise in the next class, right? For next class, we'll do Rama and Sarva both together. So, okay. So, moving on. The next Shabda which Dikshitar takes up is the Sarva. Sarva Shabda se Prakriya uchyate. Sarva Shabdasya Sarva ityapi adantaha. ह्रस्वाकारान्तः यथा रामशब्दः तथैव सर्वशब्दः किन्तु सर्वशब्दस्य अयं विशेषः यत् तस्य सर्वनाम संज्ञा वर्तते सर्वनाम इति संस्कृतव्याकरणे विशिष्टा संज्ञा सर्वनाम though we referred it to as a pronoun it is not exact, as in we cannot define pronouns as we define in say in English. Okay, we say where anything which replaces a noun or which refers to a noun is a pronoun. True, I mean all those words such as he, she, it, all those do come under pronouns, but the Sarvanama is a special samnya which is given to a set of words called Sarvadis. Idam Sarvanama Samyaya Vidhayakam Sutram. Sarvadini Sarvanamani. इत्युच्यते संज्ञासूत्रं सर्वनाम इति संज्ञा विधीयते सर्वनाम इति संज्ञा सर्वादीनि सर्वादयः संज्ञिनः सर्वादिः नाम कश्चन गणः सर्वशब्दात् आरभ्यते अत एव सर्वादिगणः इत्युच्यते सर्वादि is a class of words a class of 35 words all of which are called sarvanamas right so whatever comes under this group is called a sarvanama whether or not it seems to be a pronoun by our knowledge of English and anything with a similar meaning so if sarva means all there is also other words like sakala or nikhila which also give the same meaning but they do not get the sarvanama samya okay so it is not dependent on the meaning it is based on the list whatever words have been listed in this particular gana will get the samya called sarvanama and there are karyas which are dependent on a pada having the sarvanama samya sarvadini shabda swarupani sarvanama samyani syuh iti sutrarthah यथा सर्व विश्व इत्यारभ्यते तद् एतत् किम् अस्मद् युष्मत् इत्यादयः we'll see the list a bit later there are 35 words which belong to the sarvadigana and all of them are called sarvanamas tadantasyapi iyam samya dvandve cha iti jnapakat they told sarvadini sarvanamani ityukte sarvadigane ye shabdaः पठिताः तेषामेव सर्वनाम संज्ञा इति ज्ञायते किन्तु इदानीं कश्चन समासः क्रियते यथा परमश्चासौ सर्वश्च इति क्रियते परमसर्व इति समासः शब्दः समस्तं पदं भवति परमसर्व इति तस्य सर्वनामसंज्ञा अस्ति वा न वा इति प्रश्नः do we get I mean when he lists out the words in the gana is it only that particular word that gets the samya or does a samasa ending with that word also get a samya example tam atikrantah atitad iti pratipadikam paramasarva iti pratipadikam tesham api sarvanama samya bhavati va na va iti prashnah tada uchyate dikshitaiः tadantasyapi iyam samya तदन्तस्य सर्वशब्दस्यापि संज्ञा भवति सर्वशब्दान्तस्य यस्मिन् समासे सर्वशब्दः अन्ते श्रूयते तस्यापि संज्ञा भवति कथं ज्ञायते तस्यापि संज्ञा भवति इति प्रश्नः द्वन्द्वे च इति ज्ञापकात् इत्युच्यते दीक्षितैः सर्वादीनि सर्वनामानि इत्युक्त्वा विभाषादिक समासे बहुव्रीहौ न बहुव्रीहौ तृतीया समासे द्वन्द्वे च इति सूत्रक्रमः द्वन्द्वे च इति सूत्रेण किं क्रियते द्वन्द्वसमासे सर्वनामसंज्ञा न भवति इत्युच्यते द्वन्द्वे च इत्यस्य अर्थः द्वन्द्वे द्वन्द्वसमासे सर्वनामसंज्ञा न भवति if Panini is preventing or if he is creating a sutra to prevent sarvanama samya in dvandva samasa it should first imply that the pada should have the samya in there should be a possibility of it getting the sarvanama samya in the samasa only if it had got sarvanama samya in that samasa then only he had to make an effort to prevent it which means that in the samasa also there is sarvanama samya but if it happens to be dvandva samasa then there is no sarvanama samya it implies generally in any samasa there is sarvanama samya that is why Panini created the sutra dvandvecha if there were no sarvanama samya in samasa if it had meant that only the words as they have been told in that gana get sarvanama samya samase tadantasya yadi samya nasti tarhi dvandvecha iti nishedhah napekshate द्वन्द्वे सर्वनाम संज्ञा न भवति इति कुतो वक्तव्यं समासे तदन्तस्य एव न भवति किल इति चेत् तदन्तस्यापि भवति द्वन्द्वे च इत्येव प्रमाणं that itself is the proof that even for a word for a samasa which ends in any of these words there is sarvanama samnya so paramasarva actually paramasarva is the correct example atitad is not an example we'll see why for other reasons paramasarvaha iti udaharanam tena अर्थात् तदन्तस्यापि सर्वनामसंज्ञा भवति इत्यतः परमसर्वत्र इति त्रल् परमभवकान् इत्यत्र अकच् च सिद्ध्यति so this tral and akach are two pratyayas which depend on the pratipadika being a sarvanama kim sarvanama bahubhyo advyadibhyah ityadhikare सप्तम्यास् त्रल् इत्यनेन त्रल् इति प्रत्ययः विधीयते सर्व सर्वत्र किं कुत्र इदम् अत्र तद् तत्र इत्यादीनि उदाहरणानि So tral is a suffix which is added to all sarvanamas. So even for Paramasarva, there is tral, because by this by Dikshita saying that tadantasyapi samya bhavati ityuktvatvat Paramasarva ityasyapi sarvanama samya asti sarvanama samyayaha satvat tral pratyayah bhavati. Evameva paravabhavakan iti akach pratyayah. I talked about akach earlier. It is a pratyaya which is added to avyayas and sarvanamnas. अव्यय सर्वनाम्नाम अकच प्राक्टेः इत्यनेन सर्वेषां सर्वनाम संज्ञा शब्द सम्यक शब्दानाम् अकच प्रत्ययः भवति. यथा सर्व इत्यस्ति चेत् सर्वकः, एषः एषकः इत्यादीनि उदाहरणानि. भवान् इत्यत्र भवकान् इति भवति. सो परमभव भवत् शब्दः अस्ति चेत् तस्यापि अकच प्रत्ययः भवति, परमभवकान् इति भवति. So even for words which samasas which end in a word which has a sarvanama samnya, there is sarvanama. They do get the karyas which depend on the sarvanama samnya. Okay? So sarvadini sarvanamani iti sarvanama samnya vidhayakam sutram. Tena sarvadigane pathitanam shabdanam tadantanam cha sarvanama iti samnya vidhiyate. So all those words get the samnya called sarvanama. So what happens if there is sarvanama samnya? रूपे क्वचित् विशेषः दृश्यते. तदानीम् आदौ सर्वशब्दः अस्ति, अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः सर्वशब्दः. The question is the sarvanama bhavat or bhavatu. Bhavatu is the original rupa, but it becomes bhavat. Bhavan bhavantau bhavantah. तदानीम् अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः सर्वशब्दः रूपाणि एवं भवन्ति. सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे, हे सर्व हे सर्वौ हे सर्वे, सर्वं सर्वौ सर्वान्, सर्वेण सर्वाभ्यां सर्वैः, सर्वस्मै सर्वाभ्यां सर्वेभ्यः, सर्वस्मात् सर्वाभ्यां सर्वेभ्यः, सर्वस्य सर्वयोः सर्वेषां, सर्वस्मिन् सर्वयोः सर्वेषु. Now what is the difference between Sarva Shabda and Rama Shabda? Okay, I hope everybody knows the rupas of Rama Shabda. So Rama Shabdasya Sarva Shabdasya cha कः विशेषः? केषु रूपेषु विशेषः? What are the rupas in which Sarva Shabda differs from Rama Shabda? Okay.
प्रथमा बहुवचनं.
Correct. प्रथमा बहुवचने रामशब्दस्य रामाः इति भवति, सर्वशब्दस्य सर्वे इति भवति. ओके.
द्वितीया बहुवचनं.
द्वितीया बहुवचनं
संबोधन प्रथमा.
हाँ, ओके, that is still प्रथमा बहुवचन. Fine.
प्रथमा बहुवचन.
हाँ.
And चतुर्थी एकवचनं.
चतुर्थी एकवचनं सर्वस्मै. रामाय इति रामशब्दस्य, सर्वस्मै इति सर्वशब्दस्य. ओके.
And सप्तमी एकवचनं.
सप्तमी एकवचन सर्वस्मिन्, रामे and सर्वस्मिन्. ओके. Then
and षष्ठी बहुवचनं.
षष्ठी बहुवचनं रामाणां सर्वेषां. ओके. Then nobody got, I mean, yeah. That's all?
I think that's complete.
Okay. Sadagopanji?
Panchami ekavachanam.
Ha, Panchami ekavachanam. Ramat and Sarvasmat. Right? Any other differences? We listed 5 so far. Prathama bahuvachanam, Chaturthi ekavachanam, Panchami ekavachanam, Saptami ekavachanam, Shashthi bahuvachanam. Any other differences? Okay. Hema?
Yeah, same as Sambodhana, Bahuvachanam.
Ha. Sambodhana is still, as I told in Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti is still Prathama Vibhakti.
Correct,
So
correct.
it
correct.
doesn't make any difference unless it's
And
Ekavachana.
then Shashti Bahuvachanam Sarvesh. I don't know whether you said it.
Yeah, Shashti Bahuvachanam we considered.
Okay, all right.
Okay. So Sarva Shabdasya Rama Shabdasya cha Panchasu Sthaleshu Visheshaha. So there are only 5 places where Sarva differs from Rama. One is Sarve, Sarvasmai, Sarvasmat, Sarvasmin, Sarvesham. Iti Panchasu Rupeshu Bhedaha Drishyate. So to study the Sarva Shabda Prakriya, we are just studying these 5 forms. Where does it differ? Everything else goes like Rama Shabda. Right? So Sani Adab Prathama Bahuvachane Jas Pratyaha. Jas Pratyaya Krute Kim Bhavati. Jasa Shi. Iti Sutram. Padadvayam Jasaha Shi. Atobhisa Ais. Iti Sutrant Ataha. Iti Anavartate. Sarvanamnasmai. Ityataha Sarvanamnaha. अतः सर्वनाम्नः अर्थात अकारान्तात् सर्वनाम्नात् परस्य जसः जस् प्रत्ययस्य शी इति आदेशः भवति इति सूत्रार्थः अदन्तात् सर्वनाम्नः परस्य जसः शी स्यात् if there is a just pratyaya which is preceded by a sarvanama ending in hrasva akaranta adantat sarvanamnah parasya jasah she the just gets she as the adesha have sarva as ityasti atra she iti adeshah karaniyah kutra bhaved adeshah iti prashnah what should the she replace in just what are the rules what are the paribhashas which cover adesha आदेशः कुत्र भवेत् अन्ते भवति वा आदौ भवति वा इति केन सूत्रेण ज्ञायते कैः सूत्रैः ज्ञायते what are the sutras which govern the position of adeshas
Anekashat Sarvasya.
is that the only sutra which is a general sutra
That
Girija Alontyasya
and Ekashit.
right correct so there are 4 sutras which actually govern the adeshas all adeshas are governed by 4 sutras the general sutra happens to be alontyasya कः अर्थः षष्ठी निर्दिष्टस्य अन्त्यस्य अलः आदेशः भवति the final final al the final letter of the sthani is replaced by the adesha is the general sutra tena atra as jasah sthane shyadeshah vidhiyate yadi antyasya ityukte sakarasya sthane adeshah syat किन्तु तदपवादत्वेन उच्यते आदेः परस्य यद्विहितं तत् तस्य आदेर्बोध्यम् किमुच्यते अत्र अदन्तात् सर्वनाम्नः परस्य जसः शी स्यात् परस्य आदेशः इत्युक्ते आदेः स्यात् अर्थात् अकारस्य स्थाने शी इति आदेशः स्यात् उत्सर्गतया यदि अलोन्त्यस्य इत्यनेन आदेशः तर्हि अन्त्यस्य सकारस्य आदेशः भवति आदेः परस्य इत्यस्य उपयोगं कुर्मश्चेत् आदेः अकारस्य आदेशः भवति उभयोः बाधकत्वेन अलोन्त्यस्य इत्यस्य अपवादत्वेन आदेः परस्य इत्यस्मात् परत्वेन अस्ति सूत्रम् अनेकाल् षित् सर्वस्य किमुच्यते अनेकाल् आदेशः यदि अनेकाल् आदेशे एकस्मात् अधिकं वर्णाः सन्ति चेत् अथवा षित् आदेशः षित् शकारः इत्यस्य सह षित् भवति चेत् सर्वस्य आदेशः भवति अर्थात् अस् इति पूर्णस्य स्थाने आदेशः भवति इति अनेकाल्षित् सर्वस्य इति सूत्रेण ज्ञायते इदानीम् अत्र किं भवेत् इति प्रश्नः so obviously we have to apply anekalshit sarvasya it's a sarvadesha the she will replace the entire as sarva as iti sthite sarvadeshatvena she iti bhavati it's the conclusion but again a question is she the sarvadesha because of anekal or because it is shit. Shi iti sarvadeshah iti nirnayah. Kintu kimartham kena hetuna sarvadeshah anekaltvat sarvadesho va shitvat sarvadesho va iti prashnah. What do you think? Should we say that she is a sarvadesha because it is anekal, or is it a sarvadesha because it is shit? Hiralalji?
It will be because of anekal and it will not be shit as a pratyay because this is a replacement of the whole and this is not the pratyay.
Okay. Correct. So I feel tendency is to say in shit. Yeah, I mean the logic seems to be she ityatra shakarasya lashakvatadhite ityanena itsamya bhavati. ल श कवर्गाः इत्युक्तत्वात् लशक्वतद्धिते इत्यनेन इत्संज्ञा भवति. केवलम् इ इति श्रूयते. तर्हि शित्वात् सर्वादेशः भवेत् इति चेत् दीक्षितैः उच्यते अनेकाल्त्वात् सर्वादेशः. Dikshita says it is sarvadesha because it is anekal and not because it is shit. Why so? If we ask. No, I mean to say anekaltvat sarvadesha also there is a problem. Because there is a paribhasha nanubandhakrutam anekaltvam nacha arvanastru ityadaviva nanubandhakrutam anekaltvam iti vachyam. So there is a paribhasha called na anubandhakrutam anekaltvam. Anubandhakrutam anekaltvam na anubandhaha nama itsamyakah. Itsamyam svikritya anekaltvam vaktum na shakyate. If there is a letter which has an itsamya, we cannot consider it for saying that it is anekal. The example which he gives is arvanastru asav anayaha. It's a sutra which gives a tr adesha for arvan shabda. Okay. So tr ityatra rukaraha anunasikaha. Anunasikatvat upadeshaya janunasika ityanena itsamyaya lopaha bhavati. Lopaha bhavati chet takaraha shishyate. Saha ekal adeshaha ityeva svikriyate. We consider tr as ekal and not as anekal. Why? The determining whether a particular thing is ekal or anekal always is without considering the itsamya. Na anubandhakritam anekaltvam. Anubandhakritam arthat anubandha itsamyaka varnam svikritya anekaltvam na bhavati. Always we have to remove the itsamya letter and then only consider try to see if the adesha is ekal or anekal, like in arvanastra. So if we apply the same logic here, shakarasya itsamyayam e ityeva shishyate. You have she where the shakara gets itsamya and what is left is e. E is not anekal. How will you say that anekaltvat sarvadesha? How can you say that it is sarvadesha because it is anekal? If that is the question. For example, you have, as I said, tr is ekal because the rikara gets itsamya and only takara is left. If you have ice, atobhisa ice, right? So in ice, it is anekal because there is no it anywhere. So ice iti varnadvayam vidyate tasmad ayam anekal adeshah sarvadeshah bhavati. What happens in she? Shakaraha itsamyakah bhavati. Itsamyakaschet ekal bhavet. Katham anekal? Is she ekal or anekal? Is the question. Dikshita says it is anekal. Why? Sarvadeshatvat prak itsamyayaha eva abhavat. So if you notice what we are doing is lashakvatadhite iti itsamya iti uktam. We have sarva us. We have to bring in she. We say lashakvatadhite ityanena itsamya bhavati shakarasya. Kaha arthaha lashakvatadhite ityasya pratyayadyaha लशकवर्गाः इतः स्युः. प्रत्ययस्य आदौ विद्यमानाः लकार शकार कवर्गाः इत्संज्ञकाः भवन्ति. किन्तु शी इति न प्रत्ययः. She is not a pratyaya. Jas is a pratyaya. After we replace jas with she, jasah sthane shyadeshe krite sthanimadbhavena pratyayah bhavati. She is a pratyaya by sthanimadadeshah nalvidhau. But before we replace, that is when we are trying to decide whether to replace it entirely or replace a part, then it is not a pratyaya. Only after replacement it becomes a pratyaya by sthanivad bhava. So when we are trying to replace it, it is not a pratyaya. If it is not a pratyaya, Lashakvatadhite will not apply. So at the time of replacement, she is not a pratyaya and there is no itsamya. We still have shakara and ikara. Therefore, anekaltvat sarvadeshaha bhavati. Sarvadeshe krute lashakvatadhite ityanena itsamya. Adeshakaranat prak, before replacement, pratyayatva bhavena. Since it is not a pratyaya by itself, itsamya na bhavati. Right? Tasmat anekaltvadeva sarvadeshaha natu shitvat. Right? So, to sum up the argument, the question is sarva jas ityasti. Chutu ityanena jakarasya samyayam sarva as ityasti. So if you notice, chutu applies immediately because jas is a pratyaya. Pratyayadyav chutu itaustaha. Now we have to bring in she. She is not a pratyaya by itself. If it is not a pratyaya, shakara will not get its samya by lashakvatadhite. So it is still shakara and ikara. It is anekal. अनेकाल्त्वात् जस शी इत्यनेन सर्वादेशः क्रियते अस् इत्यस्य सर्वस्य स्थाने शी इति आदेशः क्रियते आदेशे कृते आफ्टर वी डू द आदेश इदानीं स्थानिवदादेशः नल्विधौ आदेशः स्थानिवत् स्यात् इत्यनेन शी इत्यस्य प्रत्ययत्वम् अस्ति जस् इति प्रत्ययः तस्मात् शी इत्यपि प्रत्ययः भवति प्रत्ययश्चेत् तदा लशक्वतद्धिते प्रत्ययाद्याः लशकवर्गाः इतस्युः इत्यनेन इत्संज्ञा भवति तस्य लोपः सर्व इ इदानीम् आद्गुणः इत्यनेन गुणे कृते सर्वे सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे the question which I did not understand, why not with she? What is the argument for not being a she? I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Soumya, I was trying to ask, you said it is not she because you want to do it with anekal. What is the argument for this not being shit?
Because shakara does not get itsamya unless we, after the replacement. Only after we do the replacement, the shakara gets itsamya by lashakvatadhite. But before replacing with she, at this stage, you want to bring in she is not a pratyaya, therefore the shakara does not get itsamya. So it is not shit. So we cannot use shitvat sarvadesha. We have to say it is anekaltvat sarvadesha. Okay. Sadagopanji?
No, I had a doubt. It's now cleared automatically. Thank you.
Okay. Vasuji?
Yeah, this one, the way I understand it, please correct me if I'm wrong. It is not a pratyaya because it is not in the list of pratyayas that are defined in the Panini Sutra.
Pratyaya, if you notice, pratyayadhikaraha, pratyayaha ityadhikaraha, it spans 3 adhyayas, right? 3rd, 4th and 5th. It starts with 3, 1, 1 and ends in 5, 4, whatever. 3rd, 4th, 5th. This is she is 7th.
If it is not mentioned in there, it is by
Yes.
It is not mentioned in there as a pure pratyaya, it is not a pratyaya. If it comes as an adesha, as a replacement, so
yeah, so if it is not given in the pratyayadhikara, it is not a pratyaya by itself. If it replaces something else, if that sthani happens to be a pratyaya, then it will also become a pratyaya by sthanivat bhava. But by originally it is not a pratyaya.
it's just like the udarana you gave a few sessions ago about if somebody is taking the place of a teacher for a session.
Exactly.
Yes. Outside he is not a teacher. So it's so crisply technical that if pratyaya means that which is mentioned as pratyaya in the Panini Sutras, right? That's what it is. Thank you.
Hello? You can't hear me now?
Yeah, now
Yeah,
we
I can hear you. I didn't hear anything at all for a few seconds. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, something is wrong with your mic, I think so maybe.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I mean, it just said the audio connection was lost and then it said it was speaking. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Where did you lose me? I mean, at what point?
So Vasuji was talking and after that we didn't hear anything you said.
Oh, okay. I was just saying that the pratyaya, she is not a pratyaya by itself. So when it replaces just, it can be treated as a pratyaya. But before the replacement, it is not a pratyaya, and that is why we do not get the itsamya. Okay. Any other questions? No? Can we move on to other forms of sarva? So sarva she samnyayam adgunah ityanena gune sarve iti prathama vibhaktau bahuvachane rupam. The next case where there was a variation was chaturthi ekavachana. Sarva nye iti krite ramashabde ngeryaha ityanena yadeshah kritah atra tu sarvanamna smai. The sutra immediately follows ngeryaha. He says ngeryaha sarvanamna smai. यदि सर्वनाम भवति अकारान्तः सर्वनामः तर्हि ङेः स्थाने स्मै इति आदेशः भवति अतोभिसैस् इत्यतः अतः इति अनुवर्तते ङेर्यः इति सूत्रात् ङेः इति च अनुवर्तते अतः सर्वनाम्नः अदन्तात् सर्वनाम्नात् परस्य ङे प्रत्ययस्य स्मै जस्ट अ डायरेक्ट रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ ङे विथ स्मै सर्व ए इति स्थिते स्मयादेशे सर्वस्मै. So there is no other prakriya. Sarva smai is sarvasmai. Okay. So then also very easy. Ngasinyohu smatsminau. Nyeryaha sarvanamnasmai ngasinyohu smatsminau. Sarvanamnaha iti anuvartate. Adantat sarvanamnaha parasya ngasi pratyasya smat iti adeshah bhavati. Ni pratyasya smin iti adeshah bhavati. Atas sarvanamnaha एतयोः एतौ स्तः. सो एतयोः नाम ङसिन्योः ङसि ङि इत्येतयोः प्रत्ययोः स्मात् स्मिनौ स्मात् इति आदेशः स्मिन् इति आदेशश्च भवति. ङसि प्रत्यये सर्वस्मात् ङि प्रत्यये सर्वस्मिन्. Very simple. So all three are direct adeshas. The ekavachana wherever it varies. Chaturthi ekavachane smai iti adeshah sarvasmai. Panchami ekavachane smat iti adeshah sarvasmat. Saptami ekavachane smin iti adeshah sarvasmin. Okay, so 4 rupas covered. There is one more which is shashti bahuvachane. Sarva am pratyaya krute kim bhavati. Ami sarvanamnah sut. The sutra precedes hrasvanadhyapo nut, which we applied in Rama Shabda. Rama am iti sthite hrasvanadhyapo nut ityanena nudagamah kritah. Tatah prak ami sarvanamnah sut iti agamah bhavati. Yadi sarvanama bhavati shabdah tarhi sudagamah. Padatrayam ajjase rasuk ityatah at iti anuvartate. At ami avarnat अवर्णान्तात् परस्य सर्वनाम्नो विहितस्य आमः. सर्वनाम्नः आम् प्रत्ययः भवति चेत् तस्य सुट् इति आगमः भवति. टित् आगमः आद्यन्तौ टकितौ इत्यनेन आद्यवयवः. सर्व आम् इत्यस्ति. आमि सर्वनाम्नः सुट् इत्यनेन सुडागमे सर्व स् आम्. ततः बहुवचने झल्येत्. झलादौ बहुवचने सुपि सकारः झल् झलादौ सुपि साम् इति प्रत्ययः सुपि परे एत्वं भवति अकारान्तस्य अङ्गस्य एकारः भवति तेन सर्वे साम् इति भवति ततः आदेशप्रत्यययोः इण् कवर्गाभ्यां परः एकारः इण् इणः परः अपदान्तः सकारः पदान्ते नास्ति ततः आदेशः प्रत्ययावयवश्च यः सकारः अत्र सकारः प्रत्ययस्य अवयवः तादृशस्य सकारस्य स्थाने मूर्धन्यादेशः भवति इत्यनेन षकारे सर्वेषाम् so is there a question Saragopan
In the earlier example, she not being a pratyaya by itself, is there any purpose of that shit there? If this is not going to help in the Anekal shit sarvasya.
Exactly. The she in this case might not help, but there are other cases where the she might be helpful. Wait, she. This is she. Correct. What is the purpose of it being shit? Good question. Actually, there does not seem to be any purpose. Why it has to be shakara only? There should be some letter, but it could have been other letters. I don't know. I'll look up this and get back to you. Any other questions? No? Okay. So, Shesham Ramavat. Everything else, excepting these 5 forms. Sarve, Sarvasmai, Sarvasmat, Sarvasmin, Sarvesham. एतदतिरिक्तं सर्वं रामवत् यथा रामशब्दस्य प्रक्रिया तथैव सर्वशब्दस्यापि प्रक्रिया एवं विश्वादयोप्यदन्ताः सर्वादिगणे ये शब्दाः सन्ति तत्र अन्ये अपि अकारान्ताः ह्रस्वकारान्ताः सन्ति तेषां सर्वेषां शब्दानां प्रक्रिया एवमेव भवति all akaranta sarvanamas follow sarva shabda which in turn follows rama shabda except for these 5 rupas 4 sutras only 4 sutras specific to prakriya of sarvanamas jasa she sarvanamnasmai asinyoh smatsmino and ami sarvanamnah sute there are no other sutras which cater to sarvanamas in specific okay. adanta sarvanamas in specific. Questions about these so far? Prakriya of Sarva Shabda?
Samiji, I had a question. In
Yes.
Ami, it's not behaving like a echo and achi. It's not like Saptami. It is like you are putting a thing on it, right? So is it like a Shashti kind of a thing?
Exactly. So why? Good question, and we have answered. I mean, we have seen this in some other cases also. The one where we saw was Dasidhut.
It has to anuvarti of the following sutras or something like that. That was one of the things we did before. That it is Saptamika so that it can for the anuvarti of the following.
But when does Saptami behave like a Shashti?
Ubhe Nirdeshe, when 5th and 6th.
Ubhay Nirdeshe. Exactly. Ubhay Nirdeshe, Panchami Nirdesho Baliyan. Here we have a Ataha, which is Panchami, and we also have a Ami, which is Saptami. So when there is both, the Panchami is treated as Panchami, and the Saptami is always treated as Shashti. So that is why he says, Adantat Sarvanamnah Parasya Amaha, Am Pratyasya Sudagamaha. Ityeva Svikriyate. Any other questions? Okay, I think we'll stop here today. Please go through the Prakriya of Rama Shabda and be ready by next class. We'll recap. You can either recap Sarva Shabda or Rama Shabda, and then we move on to the Sarvadi Gana. So if you notice, the Sarvadini Sarvanamani has one part, that is we deal with the Sarvanama Prakriya. There is also some Shastrartha on the particular words which are there in the Sarvadi Gana. which we can start next class. During holidays, which holidays? Christmas? I don't know. There will be a one-day break somewhere when I'm not in town, but if people need a break, you can ask. I mean, if there are many people who would not be around in holiday time, we can, because there would be a long break in January. I mean, by January until so I think 3 weeks in January last week and first 2 weeks of February. So that now, if I need, you can ask. So yeah, are there people who would like a holiday during Christmas, say 1 week or something? You can just raise your hands if you want holidays. If you would prefer. Okay, there is 2 and okay. So it's well, no majority. So it depends. So I mean, you can always catch up with the recordings and all, and any doubts anytime I would be available. So let's see. येनाक्षर समां न्यायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्सम्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. नित्यं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरचिते. I think I forgot the Mangala Shloka before this class and also before last class. Okay. So yeah, next class on Monday.